You know? Wala. Wala. Ano ba solo? Coke? Hello, sound check. Inuulit ko po, all players knock in sa lahat ng mga may suot ng Higaw, Quintas, Singsing, Porceras. Pakitanggal po ang lahat ng yan. Okay. First part. Jump ball. Pair 16 ball. Number 808, nakakuha kaagad ng foul kay number 11. Number 11, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots to bounce round. No good. Last 1 shot to bounce round. No good again. Nakuha pa rin ang pure 16 ng bola. Number 26, Gorano. Pass to number 08, big pass. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 37, Pineda. Higay kay number 7, Gallardo. Pinaba na ang bola. Number 6, 10 to shoot. Malaka. No good. Ang kirang spot. Rebound. Still by number 11 ng CYA. Number 11, layup for 2 points. Inbound number 10, pass to number 26. Number 26, Garano. Binaba na ang bola. Garano, pass to number 18. Number 18, back to number 26. 10 to shoot. Number 18, jump shot for 2 points. Number 30, Benitez. Pass to number 7, Gallardo. Sumalaksak pero binigay kay number 11. Outside pero same ball. Inbound, number 11. Pass to number 7. Number 7, sumalaksak na. Nakakuha ng foul kay number 15. First personal foul, first team foul. Jump shot for 2 points by number 37, Pineda. Number 26, jump shot, no good. Number 15, pass to number 18, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 7 ang bola, Gallardo, binaba na ang bola. Sumalaksak, outside, pero same ball. CYA team ball, number 7. Outside, third 16, team ball. Team ball, team ball. Number 08, Guerrero. Oh, robbery violation. Five, 4. Number 30, Benitez. Binaba na ang bola. Benitez, dribble the ball. Pass to number 37. Bitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni number 10 ang pure 16 team. Number 26, pass to number 08. Guerrero. Pass to number 18. Sumalaksak. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 37. Number 37, pass to number 6. At ipinasa kay number 30. Benitez, pass to number 7. Gallardo. Pinila pa ilalim. No good. Nakuha ni number 26 ng pure 16 team. Gorano. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 08. 10 to shoot. Number 08, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7, diniretso pa ang aksyon for 2 points. Number 18, dribble the ball. Number 18, pass to number 15. Dom Dom, binilik kay number 18. 8 to shoot. Number 08, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 37. Pass to outside. Pure 16, team ball. Number 15, Dom Dom, pass to number 18. Number 18, sumalaksak, umikot. Jump shot for 2 points. Ayun, kulang nila, buntot. Number 30, Benitez, binabana ang bola. Benitez, dribble the ball. Pass to number 7, Gallardo. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 10, pass to number 08, Guerrero. Sumalaksak, jump shot for 2 points. Last 5 minutes, score all 6 in favor of both teams. Tinira, outside, pure 16 team ball. All 6. All 6 po tayo mga katisak. Number 26, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 08, Guerrero. Number 08, pass to number 10, jump shot for 2. Lamang na po ang pure 16 team. Number 30, Benitez, dribble the ball. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 18, pass to number 26, Dorado. Pass break to number 10, na-steal ang bola. Huwag ganun. Yon. Meron na, yabang. Pag binaba na ang bola ni number 30, Benitez. Tira sa ilalim for 2 points by number 7, Gallardo. Gallardo tsaka number 10. Number 18, dribble the ball. Pass to number 08. 10 to shoot! Number 10, 18. Oh, nagulat si number 10. 3 to shoot! Jump shot, no good. Tinapig, nakuha ni number 26 ang bola. Garano, pass to number 10. Napitawan ang bola, nakuha ni number 27 ng CYA team. Pass to number 7, Gallardo. Binaba na ang bola. Gallardo, dribble the ball. Pumesto na. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 15 ang pure 16 team. Pass to number 08. Guerrero, na anak ni Mang Leon. Guerrero, dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. Jump shot ni number 18, no good. Nakuha ni number 11 ang CYA team. Pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, dribble the ball. Benitez. Dinerecho pa ang aksyon. No good. Rebound by number 08 ng pure 16 team. Number 08, si Guerrero, na anak ni Mang Leon. Number 08, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 37, pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 26, pass to number 15, Dom Dom. Dom Dom, dom 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 dom. Number 08, dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. Number 15, Dom Dom. No good. Ang tirang spot. Nakuha ni number 7, Gallardo. Gallardo. Bitawan ang bola pero nakakuha ng foul. Time out. Back to the ball game na po tayo mga kapisat. Inbound. Okay, inbound. Number 5, pass to number 19, Kenray Fortune! Unang tira pa lang ni Kenray, talagang press ka agad ang pinitawan. Swerte pala pag tinanggal ang patilya, boss Kenray eh. Number 08, laban ang bola. Number 08, dribble the ball, Guerrero. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 14. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib, pass to number 19, Kendray. No good. Ang tirang spot. Nakuha ni number 5, Anti-Puesto. Pass to number 1. 8 to shoot. Number 19, Kendray again. No good. Nakuha ni number 81, pass to number 22, Shazon. Pass to number 14. Binigay kay number 81, Dato on, no good, ang kanang spot. Nakuha ni number 08, oh! Nakuha ni number 19 ng CYA team. Last 30 seconds. Pass break to number 13 for 2 points. Last 28 seconds. Binaba na ang bola ni number 22, Shazon. 20 seconds. Pass is still the number 1, Hubahib! 2 points. Last 10 seconds. Number 14. Number 14, dribble the ball. Nabitawan na bola. Nakuha ni number 19, Kendray. Okay, the end of the first quarter. Inbound number 13. Pass to number 19. Number 19 back to number 13. Palkikila. Palkikila pala. Pass to number 1, Hubahib. Binili kay number 13, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 14. Pass to steal by number 13, pass to number 5. No good. Rebound by number 18 ng Pier 16. Number 18, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 22, Shazon. Ibigay kay number 09, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 1 ang CY18, number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib. Pass to number 5, jump shot. Jump shot for 2 points by number 5. Up, time out. Bukas ka naman, bukas eh. Oo, walang sign. Number 09, Reynaldo, pass to number 22, Shazon. Shazon, sumalaksak. Nakuha pa rin ni number 22, pass to number 14, Corsanyes. Jump shot for 3 points. Inbound, number 5, pass to number 13. Number 13 going down. Yan, binaba ng bola ni number 13, pass to number 5. Pass to number 1. Hubahib, jump shot for 3 points. Number 1. Number 22, pass to number 18. Number 18, nababa ang bola. Number 18, Euterio. Dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. Outside, same ball. Your 16, team ball. Inbound, number 18. Number 18, pass to number 09, pero hindi naabutan. Nakuha ni number 81. Number 81, jump shot for 2 points by number 81. Inbound, number 19, Cantry. Pass to number 13. Number 13, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 16, Black 9 sa Blacksack. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 14, Corsanyes. Pass to number 22, Siasot. Pass to number 09, Reynaldo. Pangalan ng tatay ko. 10 to shoot. Number 14. Pass to number 81, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 18 ang bola. Take shot, 3, 2. Shot at violation. Violation. Marunong ka pa sa akin. Siyempre, okay, inbound, number 19, pass to number 13. Number 13, pinababa na ang bola. Palcute. Pass to number 1, Hubahib. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 5, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 18, pass break to number 22, Shazon. Jump shot. No good. Foul number 16. Ito na nga eh. 16 nga. First personal foul, first team foul is brought to you by Robas. Kapag single ka, mag-Robas ka. Sigurado magtatagal ka sa banyo. Robas. Check. Request ka pa. Last one shot. 1 point. Mula sa tirang patron, number 22, Shazon. Inbound number 1, pass to number 16, back to number 1. Hubahib. Pinaba na ang bola. Hubahib, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 14 ng pure 16 team. Corsanyes, pass to number 22, Shazon. Shazon, dribble the ball. Shazon. Oh. CYA team ball. Inbound, number 13, pass to number 19, Kendray. Kendray, pass big to number 1. No good. Ang tirang follow-up. Number 22, Shazon, pass on, still by number 1, Hubahib, nilayap, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni Shazon ang bola ng pure 16 team, pass to number 81, Datu on, binigay ka number 14, fake shot, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 13, pass to number 19, Kendray, binababa na ang bola. Si Kendray ang nagtanggal ng patilya. Pass to number 13, Palcute, kailangan jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 18. Remaining time was 5 minutes and 48 seconds, score 18-20 in favor of CY18. Corsanyes for 3 points, all 20. Kendray, pass to number 1, oh! Naabutan, ay balik kay Kendray ang bola. Number 19, back to number 1, Hubahib. Pass to number 5, jump shot for 2 points. Number 81, Datu on, dribble the ball. Number 22, Shazon. Sumalaksak. Foul. Who's the rep? Number 5. First personal foul. Second, team foul. Anti-pwesto. Time out. Pag pumasok, okay. 1 point mula sa tirang foul throw ni number 22, Shason. Time out po. 1 point. Bawal goal. Number 19, Kendray. Pass to number 1, Hubayib. Binigay kay number 16, jump shot. No good. Ang tirang spot. Nakuha ni number 13 for 2 points. Palkutila. Time out. Huwag na. Ano? Ang tigil nyo ah. Dito makuha mo ba? Number 18, binaba na ang bola. Yoterio, still, pero nakuha pa rin ni number 18 ang bola. 8 to shoot. Number 14, 5 to shoot. Corsañez. Shot clock violation. Timeout. Pure 16 team. Number 13, pass to number 5, pass to number 16. Number 16, dribble the ball. Back to number 5, jump shot. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 19, Kendray, tinira. No good. Nakuha ni number 10, pass to number 26, pass to number 15, back to number 26, Golrano. Pinilig-ilig kay number 15, Dom Dom. No good. Nawala ni number 5 ng CYA team. Number 5, anti-pwesto. Pass. Oh, still by number 10, 18. Pass to number 26, Golrano. Golrano, dribble the ball. Pass to number 08, Guerrero. Foul, number 16, Black 9. Second personal foul, third team foul. Hindi. May lamang pera yan. Nakuha ni number 16 ang CYA ang bola. Pass to number 1, pass straight to number 13, Palcute for 2 points. Palcute na lang, no? Kasi ang hirap eh. Number 08, Guerrero. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 26, Golrano. Turn to shoot. Number 08, Guerrero, 5 to shoot. Jump shot for 2 points by number 10. Boss, yung ilaw ng cellphone niya yata ay nakailaw, oh. Sayang yung baterya. Number 1, binaba na ang bola, Hubahib. Pass to number 19, Kendray. Kendray, pass to number 16, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 5, anti-pwesto ng CYA team. Pass to number 1, still by number 08. Number 08, Guerrero. Pass to number 26. Ayan. Number 26, pass to number 15, Dom Dom. Binigay kay number 08. No good. Nakuha ni number 16, pass to number 19 ng CYA team. Pass to number 16, tinira sa ilalim for 2 points by number 16, Black 9. Last 2 minutes. Number 15, Dom Dom. Pass to number, binigay kay number 18, tinira, no good. Rebound by number 13, Palcute. Palcute, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 16, jump shot. for 2 points by number 16, Black Nine. Ganito lang ako, simpleng tao. Number 15, Dom Dom. Pass to number 18. Number 18, Euterio, jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 18 ang bola. Euterio, nilay up for 2 points. Okay, number 18. Last 1 minute and 13 seconds. The score 26-30 in favor of CYA team. Number 13, dribble the ball. Pass to number 19. Kendray. No good. That's 1 minute. 1 minute. Pass to number 10. Evangelio. Pass to number 08. Guerrero. No good. Oh, same ball. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Inbound, number 15, Bom Bom. Pass to number 18. Oh, troubling violation. Sean. Inbound, number 13, pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, binababa ng bola. Pass to number 5, jump shot, no good. Pass, nakuha ni number 18, pass to number 08. Pass to number 26, Carano. Binigay kay number 15, Dom Dom, jump shot for 2 points. Last 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Number 1, Marco Bahid, jump shot, no good. Only number 18, pass break. Still by number 13. Oh, the end. Sub ng Star Wars. Number 22, Shazon. Pass to number 21. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1, Hubahib. Mark Hubahib. Binaba ng bola. Pass to number 5. Binigay kay number 13, Palcute for 2 points. Number 22, Shazon. Binaba ang bola. Pass to number 81, jump shot, that one, no good. Nakuha ni number 08, no good. Rebound by number 37, nakakuha ng foul kay number 281. First personal foul, first team foul. Yeah, Merry Christmas po and Happy Halloween. Number 30 inbound, pass to number 1, back to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, pass to number 37, jump shot for 3 points. Mukhang hugot niya ang basa. Number 22, Shazon. Pinababa na ang bola. Shazon, pass to number 14, Corsanyas. Oh. Number 37, first personal foul. First team foul. Number 14, Corsanyas. Umailalim. Oh. Foul. Number 37 again. Second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots to Paltrow. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 14, Corsanyas. Last 1 shot to Paltrow. No good. Rebound by number 37, pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, pass to number 13, pass to number 27. No good. Nakuha ni number 5, anti-preso. Foul! Counted! Who's foul rep? Number 21. 2-1. Sa lahat po ng namumuro. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 1 shot to Paltrow. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 5. Anti-presto ang bola. Pinasa kay number 30. Pass to number 1. Oh, foul! Number 08. Number 08. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Number 30, Benitez, dribble the ball. Pass to number 13. Pinigay kay number 1. Back to number 13, tinira, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 13, no good again. Nakuha na nila, yun. Nakuha pa rin ng CYA 18, ni number 13 ang bola, pass to number 1. Hubahib, jump shot, for 3 points. Number 22, Shazon, pass to number 08. Number 08, Guerrero. Time to shoot. Number 14, foul, number 37. Number 37, substitution, rep. Substitution. Third personal foul, third team foul. Remaining time, 7 minutes. Score 29-39 in favor of CYA team. Number 08, Guerrero. Number 30, foul, number 22, Shazon. First personal foul, warning to penalty. Inbound, number 1, pass to number 11, number 1, Hubahib, no good. Nakuha na ni number 22, Shazon, ang bola ng pure 16 team. Number 18, dribble the ball, time to shoot. Number 22, Shazon, jump shot, and no good. Corsanyas, no good. Corsanyas again for 2 points. Inbound number 37, pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez. Sumalaksak, itinira for 2 points. Number 30. Tapos kalapit ka ng kalapitin. Number 80. Number 81, Datu on. Jump shot. Foul. For 3. For 3 points. Who's foul? Number 13. Pushing foul. Ilan yan? Tatlo? First personal foul. Warning to penalty. Both team parehas warning to penalty. Inbound. Number 08. Ano ba? Number 18. Pass to number 08. Guerrero. Guerrero, dribble the ball. Number 08. Foul. Number 30. First personal foul. Penalty. Penalty po tayo, rep. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. One point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 08, Guerrero. Inbound number 11, pass to number 7, Gallardo. Gallardo, pass to number 19, Kendry. Kendry, dribble the ball. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 14, Corsanyes, ng Pure 16 team. Pass to number 22, Shason. Binaba ng bola. Pass to number 18, pass to number 14, Corsanyes, jump shot for 3 points. 3 points. Number 7, Salamat Zek. Number 1, Ubahib. Number 1, pass to number 11, no good. There's 16 team, pass break to number 08, Guerrero, jump shot, no good. Now, only number 19, Kendry, ang bola. Pass to number 11, Pascual. Troubling violation. Anak ni Piolo. Number 18 inbound, pass to number 22. Number 22, Shason, pinababa ang bola. Shason, pass to number 14, Corsanyes, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1, Ubahib, binaba na ang bola. Ubahib, nakakuha ng foul kay number 22, Shason. Second personal foul, penalty. Both team, penalty. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. Remaining time, last 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Score 4-1, 38. Lamang pa rin po ang CY8 team. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 1, Hubahib. Number 08, Guerrero. Binaba na ang bola. Guerrero, dribble the ball. Pass to number 18. Turn the shot. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 1. Pass right to number 19. Kendrick! 13 points. May papilya man na wala. Napakahusay mo parang Kendrick. Number 22, pass to number 14. Number 14, Corsanyes. Back to number 22, Shazon. Back to number 14. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin ang player 16 team in number 81, jump shot for 2 points. Number 7, pass to number 19, Kendrick. Pass to number 1. Number 1, Hubahib. Dribble the ball. Hubahib. Sumalaksak, jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni Hubahib. Nabitawan, nakuha rin na follow-up ni number 11, no good. Rebound by number 81, pass to number 22. Number 22, Shazon. Pass to number 14, Corsanyes. For 2 points. Malawag ang depensa. Number 13, Palkyut. Binaba ang bola. Palkyut. Jump shot. For 2 points. Inbound, number 81, pass to number 22. Pass break to number 14. Oh, foul! Naku. Number 30. Second personal foul. Penalty. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution. Substitution. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltro ni number 14, Corsanyes. Last one shot to Paltro. One point again mula sa tirang Paltro ni number 14, Corsanyes. Inbound number 11, pass to number 16. Number 16, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 19, binigay kay number 7. For 3 points by number 7, Gallardo. Number 18, going down. Number 14, Corsanyes, jump shot, no good. CYA team ball. Inbound, number 7, pass to number 16. Number 16, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 19, Kendrick. Binigay kay number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib, pass to number 16. Jump shot. For 2 by number 16. Ganito lang ako, simpleng tao. Naipagyayabang ko lang sa'yo. Ay, oh. Number 18. Last 1 minute. 10 to shoot. Last 1 minute. Number 22, Shazon. Pass to number 26, Guerrero. Binigay kay number 14, Corsanyes. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib. Pinaba na ang bola. Number 1, Hubahib. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 18. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Number 18, first personal foul, penalty. Naipagyayabang ko lang sa'yo. Ay, oh. No good. That's one shot to Paltro. Remaining time, last 44 seconds. Score 50-44. Lamang pa rin po ang CYA team. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltro ni number 1, Hubahib. Inbound number 20, pass to number 26, Guerrero. Guerrero, binaba ng bola. Number 15, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 7, Gallardo. Gallardo. Wow, super layup for 2 points. Foul counted, number 21. 26, sorry. Foul lang, tanga pa. First personal foul, penalty. No good. Rebound by number 11. No good. Number 1, nakakuha ulit ng foul. Kay number 2-0. Sino po namumuro dyan? First personal foul, penalty. One point mula sa tirang Paltrow. Last one shot to Paltrow. One point again. Mula sa tirang Paltrow na number 1, Hubahib. Number 18, last 10 seconds. Number 18, nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul that? 1-6. Number 16, Glock 9. Third personal foul, penalty. One point. Mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 18, last one shot to Paltrow. One point again. Mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 18, Luterio. Number 1, Hubahib. Pinababa ang bola. Bilis yun. The end of the third quarter. Inbound. Uy, happy viewing nga pala kay Boss Declaro dyan. Boss. Number Benitez. Jump shot. Okay. Rebound with number 18. Number 18. Binaba ng bola. Pass to number 15, Bombok. Bombok, jump shot. Rebound by number 5, but for 30, Benitez. Benitez, dribble the ball. Pass to number 13. 10 to shoot. Outside, player 16, team ball. Inbound, number 10, pass to number 18. Number 18, going down. Number 18, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 14, Corsañez. Corsañez, jump shot for 2 points. Number 30, Benitez, binaba ng bola. Benitez, dribble the ball. Number 30, jump shot for 2 points by number 30. Inbound number 18, pass to number 20. Pass to number 14, Orsanes. Pass to number 15, Bobo. Step, shoot. Number 18, nabitawan ng bola, nakuha ni number 37, pass to number 30. Number 30, Benitez, dribble the ball. Number 30, jump shot for 2 points by number 30. Inbound, number 14, pass to number 20. Back to number 14. Pass break to number 18. Number 18, dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. Jump shot. Nakakuha ng foul. Loose foul. Number 37. Number 37, warning to foul out. First team foul. Sub daw, oh. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Okay. In or out. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltro ni number 18, Euterio. Last one shot to Paltro. 1 point again. Inbound number 11, pass to number 5. Number 5, anti-presto. Binaba na ang bola. Number 5, pass to number 6, Malaga. Jam! For 3 points. Malaka dyan. Number 18, binaba na ang bola. Euterio. Euterio, sumalaksak. Ibinilan, no good. Nakuha ni number 13 ang bola. Palcute. Binaba na. Palcute. Pass to number 30, Benitez. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 22, pass to number 08. Number 08, dribble the ball. Number 08, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 14. Oh, foul! Who's foul? Number 11. Number 11, second personal foul. Second team foul. Inbound. Substitution. Inbound number 08, pass to number 14, Corsanes. Corsanes, tinira, nakakuha ng foul. Number 11 again. Number 11, third personal foul, third team foul. Patience about round. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. La 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 la. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 14, Corsanes. Inbound number 1, pass to number 30. Number 30, Benitez. Pass to number 30. Palcute, jump shot for 2 points. Number 13, Palcute. Number 08, Guerrero. Binaba na ang bola. Guerrero, pass to number 20, back to number 18. 10 to shoot. Number 18, pass to number 22, Shason. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Inangat. No good. Follow up to number 22 and number 20 for 2 points. Number 20, Villa Puerte. Number 30, Benitez going down. Pass to number 13, Palcute. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 18 ang bola ng Pier 16 team. Number 18 going down. Pass na. Oh, 8 seconds. Violation. Time out. Yeah. Number 19, pass to number 7, Gallardo. Pinigay kay number 11 ang bola. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 20, Villa Puerte. Still by number 5. Number 5, Aldo Presto. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? 20, number 20. Second personal foul, first team foul. Sorry, Red. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. One point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 5, Antal Puesto. Number 08, Guerrero, pass to number 22, Shason, dribble the ball. Number 22, pass to number 81, jump shot, Datu on, for three! By number 81, Datu on. Number 1, Hubahid, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 19, Kendrick, for 3 points. Technical. Number 19. Technical by number 19. Remaining time last 4 minutes and 39 seconds. Score 70-56 in favor of CYA Tiam. One point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 22, Shason. Substitution. Okay, inbound. Number 15, pass to number 08, Guerrero. Guerrero, binaba ng bola. Guerrero, dribble the ball. Pass to number 22. Nakuha pa rin ni number 22 ang bola. Pass to number 81, Datu on! For 3 points by number 81, Datu on. Number 1, Hubahid. Binaba na ang bola. Hubahid, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak. Pass to number 0. Pair 16, team ball. Inbound, number 08. Number 08, pass to number 22, Shason. Shason, pinababa na ang bola. Shason, dribble the ball. Pass to number 15, Dom. No good, ang tirang spot. Nakakuha ni number 19, Kendrick, pass to number 1, Hubay, pass break to number 7, Gallardo, for 2 points! Inbound number 15, oh, stab on the line, CYA team ball. Inbound, number 11, anak ni Piolo. Number 11, pass to number 5, on the press up, binigay kay number 19, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 15, pass to number 08, Guerrero. Guerrero, binaba ang bola, binigay ka na, sinira, no good. Rebound by number 01, pero naisip pa rin ni Guerrero ang bola. Number 08, pass to number 22, Shason, pass to number 15, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1 ng CYA team, Hubahid. Hubahid, binaba na ang bola. Hubahid, binigay ka na, Tira, again, nakakuha ng foul. Number 20. Number 20, third personal foul, second team foul. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution. Next game ay susunod na. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 1, Hubahid. Last one shot to Paltrow. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Score 73-60 in favor of CYA team. 1 point again. Inbound number 26, pass to number 08. Pass break to number 14 is still by number 1, Hubahid. Hubahid, foul, number 81, Datu on. Datu on, first personal foul, third team foul. Inbound number 7, Gallardo. Pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, pass to number 1. Hubahib, dribble the ball. Hubahib. Hubahib, sumalaksak bola pinasa kay number 13, Palkiot, for 2 points. Inbound, number 22, pass to number 08, Guerrero. Guerrero, binababa na ang bola. Still by number 1, Hubahib, for 2 points. Last 2 minutes. Still there, number 30, Benitez. Benitez. Nakuha pa rin yung number 1, Mike Hubahib ang bola. Number 1, Hubahib, dribble ball. 10 to shoot. Number 13, Palkiot, for 3 points. By number 13, Palkiot. That's 1 minute and 40 seconds. Shason. Shason. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Jump shot for 3 points. Inbound number 37, pass to number 30, Benitez. Going down. Benitez, pass to number 37. Number 37, Inamat, no good. Rebound by number 26, Joe Rano. Pass to number 22, Shason. Shason, binaba ng bola. Shason, nakakuha ng foul. By number 7, substitution. Substitution. First personal foul, rolling to penalty. Patience to buzzer. No good. Last 1 shot to Paltrow. No good again. Nakuha pa rin ni number 16 team ang bola. Number 22 Shason Johnson, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 22, pass to number 81. Datu on, no good. Gaurano, back to number 81. Datu on again for 3 points. Inbound number 37, pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, binaba na ang bola. Benitez, pass to number 6. Malaka dyan. No good. Kuha ni number 26 ang bola. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Jump shot. No good. Kuha ni Shason, fake shot. Corsanes again for 2 points. Last 43 seconds. Number 13, Palkiot. Binaba na ang bola. Palkiot, dribble the ball. Pass to number 6, Malaka dyan. Malaka dyan. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 26, pass break to number 14, Corsanes. For 2 points. Last 21 seconds. Benitez. Seconds. No good. 10 seconds. Jump shot. No good. The end of the game. And the winner is